Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and today we're gonna be looking at something that I obviously bought from Take A Lot as usual, but this time I must say I really got disappointed by what I actually got. Now this is supposed to be a Polaroid Bluetooth speaker. Now the features of this speaker is what actually impressed me, and obviously also the price. This is going for around 150 rands. I know it's cheap, and it actually, most of the products that I actually buy, to be honest, around that price point actually tend to perform better than what the price says it should perform. But this is really another story. Now this guy here really didn't perform as I was expecting. Obviously the price was 150. What was I expecting? Now this thing comes in this, obviously this box, this Polaroid box. Let's just go quick inside. You obviously have a USB to 3.5 millimeter jack. What's going on here? I didn't see this cable. I didn't really see that this cable come like this. I wonder what is it for. You have the cable tie, and then you have the actual speaker itself, which is actually on. I was testing it out one more time right now. Now the build quality of this speaker is actually quite good. I like how the rubber material feels, and also the mesh in front is really it feels good. It feels like a clothing material here. But yeah, this is a Polaroid camera. The model number is PBS06. The features of this speaker that actually made me buy it to test it out is that it comes with Bluetooth. Obviously it's a Bluetooth speaker. It has wireless technology, whatever that's supposed to mean, and it has FM radio. Now I was really disappointed in this Bluetooth speaker, mainly because of two things, and these are the things that actually should be performing quite well for a Bluetooth speaker, but this speaker here really sucks on those features. Now the buttons themselves, obviously that's where it started. The buttons themselves, I really did not like how the clicky feels. It feels too rough, I must say. And also the sound quality. Now the sound quality of this speaker is it's bad. I must just be honest. The speaker quality is really bad. And also something that I realized today before starting to shoot this video, the Bluetooth range seems to be really short. Like I need to literally be close to the speaker for it to pick it up. It might just be because I'm using an old phone. This is an iPhone 6, but I really doubt that. So for me to be able to actually play this thing using the distance needs to be like this, or it feels like you're playing radio and the signal starts making those radio sound that you're probably most familiar with. Now, as I said, this guy plays Bluetooth connected to the phone. It also has a FM radio function, and yeah, let me show you guys actually what I mean by the bad sound quality. Hopefully you're also going to be able to tell that the sound quality is really bad just by listening it on this video. Now let's first turn it on and try and connect it to
Bluetooth mode.
the phone. Okay, hopefully it's gonna connect automatically. The last time
is okay.
Okay, it connected. Hopefully it's connected to the right phone. Let's go to SoundCloud because here mostly I will find royalty-free music. Let's jam some Vava Decepticon actually. Vava Decepticon is a friend of mine who's a musician. You guys should go actually check him out. I'm gonna leave link to his music down in the description. Not a paid sponsor. So let's listen to Zoning. Hopefully it's connected and it's going to start playing anytime soon. Play. Okay, at least the Bluetooth connection is much better, because when I was testing it, as soon as I do this, it disconnects. Okay, but that's minus. Let me just pause this. That's minus one problem. At least the Bluetooth quality was maybe on that specific connection. I really don't know what was happening there, but the quality, I don't know if I am wrong in saying that the quality is bad. Obviously this device cost 150 rand. I really don't know what I was expecting to hear, but I don't enjoy the quality, and it sounds really like the radio that plays in this specific Bluetooth speaker. So let me put it back for you guys to try and at least hear it. Maybe you can decide for yourself if this is something that you would be looking to get. But as it is, I don't recommend. I do not recommend this. Let me play you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and one other thing is the functions. The functions of this guy, as you saw, I pressed play. I tried to put up the volume by pressing the plus and the minus, but it skips. I don't know, I think it's also skipping button and volume button. Okay, so if you hold, the volume goes up and down, but if you press once, it skips. The control are really, I think the controls are really all over the place. But again, what do you expect with a 150 rand Bluetooth speaker? Let's go back to zoning. I actually like this track. Let's put up the volume and you guys can hear what I mean. Okay, it's in the maximum.
Just put it down for a nigga. Zoning, you get zoning. So don't be shy. Put it down, put it down, put it down. And girl, I'ma knock it out. Put it down, put it down, just put it down for a nigga. Just put it down.
I mean, as you guys can see, it actually kind of gets a little bit loud, but the quality is really not there. Like there is no low end at all, and the voice, at least the voice and the treble is there, but in terms of low end, you're not gonna be getting any bass at all. I mean, if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker and you really don't mind that you're not going to be getting those low ends and your budget is really limited, I'd say you could give it a try, but I think you should actually keep your expectations very low because it's not going to blow you out the park like most of the Bluetooth speakers on its size, but also on a, let me put pause here. Yeah, it's not gonna blow you off the park if you have to compare with Bluetooth speakers on the same size from different companies. As I said, I really wouldn't recommend, but again, if you are on the budget and just need something for the moment for you to actually use as a Bluetooth speaker, you could give it a try. Obviously, I'm gonna have it linked down below, but I really do not recommend. I would say like put a little bit of more money on your budget and get something much better, like a JBL. There's actually a JBL that costs around 400-500 rand that I still yet to test it out, but it should do a better trick than this one, which is 150 rand. And yeah, I really think Polaroid should just stick to their photography equipment and leave the Bluetooth speaker game for some other players like JBL. You have the UE Boom, and you have Bose, which is a little bit more expensive, and so forth. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As usual, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this channel a subscribe down below. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Peace.